In this video, we are going to see exercise 2.6. Do the first one as homework. Okay. Second one, how many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? So here they given the sequence is start with 5 and it will sum up to 480. How many consecutive odd integers if you add, then you will get sum as 480 have to find. The sequence starts with 5. Okay. So let the consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will be 5. Next what is the odd integer? 5 next 7, 9, 11 and so on. Definitely the sequence format AB because the common difference is 2 when we know. So here A na first term A equal to 5, the common difference D equal to 2. So sum of n terms Sn formula what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. They given the sum that is Sn. So Sn they given 480 equal to n by 2 into 2A 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into D. So 480 equal to n by 2 into 2 5s are 10 plus multiply these 2n minus 2. So 10 minus 2 will get 8 plus 2n. So 480 equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 2n. In these both terms we can take 2 as common, If you take 2 you will get 4 plus n. So these two will get cancelled. We will get 480 equal to multiply with this n, we will get 4n plus n square. Send the 480 to the RHS side, you will get n square plus 4n minus 480 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So what is the sum here? You have to solve using sum and product. Sum is 4, product is minus 480. So you have to find the pair. So 24 20s are will get 480. Your sum is plus, so plus 24 minus 20. So you can write it as n square plus 24n minus 20n minus 480 equal to 0. So here in these two terms you can take n as common. So you get n into n plus 24 minus, in these two terms you can take 20 minus 20 as common. So you get n plus 24 equal to 0. So in this both n plus 24 into n minus 20 equal to 0. Here we got two values for n, that is n plus 24 equal to 0. Then plus 24 goes that side now minus 24. So n equal to minus 24. So number of terms cannot be in negative. Already before sum I told you. So always the number of terms should not be in negative. So n minus, next take n minus 20 equal to 0. So minus 20 goes that side and get plus 20. N equal to 20. So the number of terms, that is 20 consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480. So did you understand this? Move on to the fourth sum. Find the sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. So what they given? Sum of first n terms of a series they given Sn. Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n. We are going to prove that the series is in AP. How to prove the series is in AP? The common difference should be same, that is T3 minus T2 equal to T2 minus T1. Then the sequence is in AP. Okay. So for finding the T1, T2, T3, we doesn't know the values. Using this Sn only, we are going to find the term 1, term 2 and term 3. So here given right sum of first n terms of a series Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n. Sum of first term equal to S1 equal to, so instead of n we are going to substitute 1 because sum of first term we know. So 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1, 2 minus 3 will get minus 1. Sum of first term they have only first term there. So definitely S1 will be equal to T1, that is T1 equal to minus 1. Next, sum of first two terms S2 equal to, so n instead of n we are going to substitute 2 here. So 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2, 2 square are 4, 2 into 4 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 4s are 8 minus 6 you will get 2. So S2 is nothing but sum of first two terms, that is T1 plus T2. 2. So how to find T2 now? S2 minus S1. S2 means what? T1 plus T2. S1 not T1 minus T1. Both know. So T2 equal to S2 minus S1. What is the S2 value? 2 minus S1 is minus 1. So minus of minus will get plus 1. So 2 plus 1 will get 3. So T2 is 3. So we need T3 also, no. For that we have to find a sum of first 3 terms. S3. S3 equal to, here instead of n we are going to substitute 3. So 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. 3 square is 9. 2 9s are 18. Here 3 3s are 9. 18 minus 9 will get 9. S3 equal to 9. So how to find T3 now? T3 equal to S3 minus S2. That is sum of 3 terms. First 3 terms minus sum of first 2 terms. Then you will get T3. So S3 is 9. S2 is 2. So 9 minus 2 will get 7. So T3 7. So we find T1 minus 1. T2 3. T3 7. Now we are going to find the difference between these. Okay. Here T2 minus T1. That is 3 minus of minus 1. You will get 3 plus 1 4. T3 minus T2, 7 minus 3 will get 4. So T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2, 4. Both are same only, no. So the common difference is same. So the series is in AP. So that only they ask the sum. Show that the series is in AP. So we prove the series is in AP. That's all. So move on to the third sum. Find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. So listen carefully here. Sum of first 28 terms. Now we are going to find S28. So they given the series is in AP. So nth term. What is the meaning of nth term? Tn. So they given Tn equal to 4n minus 3. We are going to find S28. Okay. So number of terms n equal to 28. 28 terms only now going to find. So n value is 28. Nth term Tn equal to they given 4n minus 3. First we are going to find T1. T1 equal to 4 into instead of n substitute 1. 4 minus 3 will get 1. That is first term nothing but the A value. Next T2. Instead of n substitute 2. 4 into 2 minus 3. 8 minus 3 will get 5. T2 equal to 5. So common difference. How we find the common difference? T2 minus T1. T2 we got 5. T1 as 1. So 5 minus 1 will get D value as 4. Here A value is 1. Okay. So next you can find Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. They asked to find S28. So S28 equal to 28 by 2 into a value is 1. 2 into 1 plus 28 minus 1 d is 4. So 28 minus 1 will get 27. Here cancel this 2 1s are 2 14s are. So 14 into 2 1s are 2 plus 27 into 4. So multiply these two will get 108. 108 plus 2 will get 110. 14 into 110 will get 1540. So S28 equal to 1540. So sum of first 28 terms of an AP equal to 1540. So that's all. Do you understand this? Move on to the fifth one. The 104th term. So 104th term now already you know T104. Okay. And fourth term. And fourth term now T4. Of an AP they given. That is T104 is 125 and T4 is 0. What they asked to find? Sum of first 35 terms. Sum of first 35 terms now. We are going to find S35. The series is in AP. Okay. Write the given 104th term. That is T104 equal to 125. That is Tn formula already you know. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. That is T104. That is A plus 103d equal to 125. Take it as equation number 1. Next we given fourth term. T4 equal to 0. T4 now A plus 3d equal to 0. Equation number 2. So we are going to use the elimination method. 1 minus 2. So A plus 103d equal to 125. A plus 3d equal to 0. Subtract now. A will get cancelled. 103d minus 3d will get 100d. 125 minus 0 you will get 125 only. So D equal to, send this 100 to the RHS, 125 by 100, in 25 double directly you can cancel, 25 5s are 25 4s are. So D value will get 5 by 4. So substitute D value in any equation, 1 or 2. So I select here equation number 2. So A plus, what is equation number 2? A plus 3D equal to 0. So A plus 3 into 5 by 4 equal to 0. A plus 3, 5s are 15 by 4 equal to 0. A equal to 0 plus 15 by 4 goes RHS minus 15 by 4. What is 0 minus 15 by 4? Minus 15 by 4 only. So you got A as minus 15 by 4. What they asked to find is 35. So sum of first n terms, write the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S35 equal to 35 by 2 into 2, a value minus 15 by 4 plus 35 minus 1 d is 5 by 4. Now we are going to simplify this. So write 35 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, you get minus 15 by 2 plus 35 minus 1, 34 into 5 by 4. Here also you can cancel. 2 2s are, 2 17s are. So 35 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 17 into 5 will get 85. So you will get 85 by 2. Here there are like fractions. You can subtract or add the numerator directly. So minus 15 plus 87 you will get 70 by 2. So 35 by 2 into 70 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 35s are. 35 into 35 you get 1225 divided by 2. If you divide now you get 612.5. So sum of first 35 terms of the given series equal to 612.5. That's all my dear children. Thank you.